Flying Blue members, and their flying time today will be 1 hour and 30 minutes. In a few moments, we would like to start with some safety instructions to ensure your safety on today's flight, and dear passengers, to respect everyone's privacy. It's not allowed to film or photograph any crew or passengers without their permission, and to wish you a very pleasant flight.
Passengers, please fasten your seatbelt. If there is a decrease in cabin pressure, your oxygen mask will drop automatically. Pull the mask towards you to start the flow of oxygen. Place the provided oxygen mask over your nose and mouth and breathe normally. Secure your own mask first before helping others. Details of all safety instructions are in the Safety On Board card, which is kept in the seat pocket. Please read this card carefully prior to takeoff. Please open your window blind, adjust the back of your seat to the upright position, and fold away your tray table and cup holder. Make sure electronic devices are disconnected from the in-seat power supply. For safety reasons, we ask you to stow your hand luggage in the overhead luggage compartments or under the seat in front of you. These in the overhead luggage compartments. Keep the power bank with you and make sure that they are always quickly accessible. Lastly, it is only permitted to consume alcoholic beverages served on board. On behalf of KLM and partners, we wish you a pleasant flight.
back, relax, and enjoy the flight.